Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to see exercise 2 in subtraction. So we are going to subtract the numbers. So first step we have to write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousand. Can we subtract 6 minus 7? No, we cannot because 7 is greater number, 6 is smaller number. So we cannot subtract the greater number from the smaller number. So we have to borrow from the next place. So 1 becomes, if you are borrowing 1 from the next number, it becomes 0. Then 6 becomes 110 plus 6, 16. Next, now we can subtract 16 minus 7. So we have to count 7 after, up to 16 we have to count. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 is the answer. Next, 0 minus 0, 0. Next, 8 minus 5. See, 8 is a greater number, so we can subtract. So 5 after, up to 8 we have to count. So 6, 7, 8. So 3 is the answer. Next, thousands place, 4 minus 3. So 3 after 4. So 1 is the answer. So answer equal to 1309. Next we'll write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. So we'll start from ones place. So we are going to subtract 7 from 5. So what you have to do? Here listen, we can't subtract 7 from 5 because 5 is the smaller number. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from tens place. So here 2 becomes 1, then 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 7, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 is the answer. Next, 1 minus 5. So we can't subtract 1 minus 5. Again, we are going to borrow from the hundreds place. So 9 becomes, if you are giving 1 to the tens place, so it becomes 9 becomes 8. Then 1 becomes 11. Next, 11 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 is the answer. Next, 8 minus 8. If you are subtracting same number, you will get the answer 0. Next, 9 minus 6 you are going to subtract. So 6 after 7, 8, 9. 3 is the answer. So what is the answer? 3068. Next one, write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousand. So 0 minus 0, 0. Next 7 minus 8. No, we can't subtract because 8 is the greater number, 7 is the smaller number. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the before place. So 5, from 5 if you are borrowing, you will get 5 becomes 4, 7 becomes 17. Next, 17 minus 8 if you are subtracting. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 is the answer. Next, 4 minus 8. Again, we can't subtract from 4. So we have to borrow from thousands place. So 7 becomes 6. Then 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is the answer? 6. Next, 6 minus 4. So 4 after 5, 6. 2 is the answer. So what is the answer? 2690. Next, we'll write ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. So 1 minus 9 we are going to subtract. Listen, we can't subtract from the smallest number. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So 5 becomes 4. 1 becomes 11. Next 11 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11. So who is the answer? Next 4 minus 9. So we can't subtract because here smaller number, from the smaller number we can't subtract, so we have to borrow from hundreds place. So 1 becomes 0, 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 9, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 is the answer. Next, we have to subtract 0 minus 9. See, again we can't subtract from 0 minus 9. So we have to borrow from thousands place. So 3 becomes 2. Then here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9. 9 after 10. So 1 is the answer. Here they have given only 3-digit number. So you can write 0 here. So 2 minus 0. What is the answer? 2152. Next one, write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. So 7 minus 9. Can we subtract? No, because 7 is the smaller number. So we have to borrow from the tens place. So 5 becomes 4. 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 is the answer. Next, again 4 minus 6. Can we subtract? No. Then we have to borrow from the hundreds place. So 9 becomes 8. 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 is the answer. Next one, 8 minus 9. Again, we cannot subtract from the smallest number. So we have to borrow from thousands place. So 2 becomes 1. 8 becomes 18. So 18 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 is the answer. Next, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the answer? 988. Next one, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next, thousand. Next, 6 minus 9. See, can we subtract? No, here smaller number. So we have to borrow from tens place. So 1 becomes 0. 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7. Again 0 minus 3 we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. So 2 becomes 1. So 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 3. 3 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 is the answer. Next, shall we subtract from 1? No. So we have to borrow from thousands place. So 3 becomes 2. In hundreds place, 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? 3. Next, 2 minus 1. So 1 after 2. So what is the answer? 1. So answer is 1377. So listen children, when we are subtracting the numbers, if you are subtracting from the smaller number, you have to borrow from the next place. If it is smaller number, you have to borrow from the next place and then you have to subtract, then you can write the answer. Hi children, see you tomorrow.